No, that really was lovely. And we're just going to get some tissues for you. Because I think you're going to. Thank you for some tissues.
Will you remember the rings?
So if any of the rings in. Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Can't believe I had a tear in my eye.
Michelle, you can tissue. Light just goes in there. So things on that. Oh, yeah. Just away. Oh. You know, when blacksmiths made these old anvils, they never realised that brides one day would be coming here to place their flowers in. But it's lovely. Now, I want you both to meet in the middle and hold hands and support each other. Because that's what marriage is all about. But I'd like to officially welcome both Scott and Michelle. You really are a delightful couple to see, and I can tell just how emotional you feel about this. But it's so good that you've chosen to come here to this famous old blacksmith shop on New Year's Eve to celebrate your special day with us here. We really do appreciate couples like yourselves coming to share that moment here and to keep that history alive. You are in the original old forge. In days gone by it would have been absolutely roasting hot. A little bit cooler today, but we still have warm hearts. And thank you for coming all the way down as well from Dundee. It's great that you managed to make it here. So I don't need to say welcome to Scotland, but I will say Falchigo Gretna Green. Welcome to Gretna Green. My name is Maura Warwick, and I'm an Assistant Registrar appointed by the Registrar General for Scotland as a person authorised to solemnise civil marriages. And this is in accordance with the Provision of Marriage Scotland Act 1977. But before you are married, it is necessary that you identify yourselves to me. Are you Scott Robert Dobie Denevan?
I am.
Are you Michelle Catherine Ducan?
Yes.
Thank you. And did I get your pronunciation
Yes.
right?
Well done.
Terrible if a Scot didn't get that. Marriage, according to the law of this country, is a union of two people voluntarily entered into for life to the exclusion of all others. Scott and Michelle, are you ready to take that step forward in your journey together?
Yes.
Yes.
Wonderful. I can, therefore, confirm that I am able to solemnise your marriage and that your two witnesses today are lovely Sarah and Vicky. Getting married today is something special for you, and it is a confirmation of that love and respect and friendship that you have for one another. You've chosen to affirm your relationship in a formal pledge. This is offered sincerely, and it is for life. I would like you now to make your legal declarations. This identifies your right to marry and to marry here in Scotland. So please turn and face each other and hold each other's right hands. I would like you in turn to repeat the following. And Scott, you go first.
Okay.
I, Scott Robert Dobie Denevan,
I, Scott Robert Dobie Denevan,
solemnly and sincerely declare
solemnly and sincerely declare
that I know not
that I know not
of any legal impediment
of any legal impediment
to my marrying Michelle Catherine Ducan.
to my marrying Michelle Catherine Ducan.
Thank you. Michelle, it's your turn. I, Michelle Catherine Ducan,
I, Michelle Catherine Ducan,
solemnly and sincerely declare
solemnly and sincerely declare
that I know not
that I know not
of any legal impediment
of any legal impediment
to my marrying Scott Robert Dobie Denevan.
to my marrying Scott Robert Dobie Denevan.
Thank you. You have now made your declarations, and it is time to move to the vows. And to remind you both once again, the vows you are making are exclusively for one another. They are always sincerely made and are for life. So holding all hands together, okay, face one another directly and repeat the following. And once more, Scott, you go first.
Okay.
I, Scott, accept you, Michelle,
I, Scott, accept you, Michelle,
as my lawful wedded wife,
as my lawful wedded wife,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
from this day forth,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
to the exclusion of all others,
to the exclusion of all others,
for as long as we both shall live.
for as long as we both shall live.
Thank you. Michelle, it's your turn. I, Michelle, accept you, Scott,
I, Michelle, accept you, Scott,
as my lawful wedded husband,
as my lawful wedded husband,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
from this day
for
forward,
better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
to the exclusion of all others,
to the exclusion of all others,
for as long as we both shall live.
for as long as we both shall live.
Thank you. And now, you're going to bind this marriage with the giving and the receiving of rings. The rings you're about to exchange are the outward symbol of that love, respect and hope you have for both of your futures together. So I would like you first of all, please, Scott, to pick up Michelle's ring. Place it on her finger and then repeat the following.
You do all this little bit.
Please repeat to Michelle. Michelle, I give you this ring
Michelle, I give you this ring
as a seal to our marriage.
as a seal to our marriage,
Let its constant embrace
with its constant embrace,
be the symbol of my love for you.
be the symbol of my love for you.
All that I am, I give to you.
All that I am, I give to you.
All that I have, I share with you.
All that I have, I share with you.
I promise to love you,
I promise to love you,
cherish and respect you,
cherish and respect you,
and to be faithful and loyal to you,
and to be faithful and loyal to you,
today and always.
today and always.
Thank you. And Michelle, would you do the same in turn now, please? Take the ring. Scott, I give you this ring
Scott, I give you this ring
as a symbol of my marriage.
as a symbol of my marriage.
It is my promise that I will always love you.
It is my promise that I will always love you.
I will be there for you in good times and bad,
I will be there for you in good times and bad,
and will support you in everything you do.
and will support you in everything you do.
And I will be faithful to you,
And I will be faithful to you,
so long as we both shall live.
so long as we both shall live.
Thank you. And now I'd like you to turn and face the front. So we're almost there, but we've got one more thing to do, because you both know very well you've come to the most famous place on this island. And it is here in the famous blacksmith shop where so many couples over the last 200 years have married, and you have now become part of that history. In times gone by, as we discussed earlier, the couples would have a handfast, maybe perhaps not even rings. That's a very personal choice. But this old tradition that's unique to Gretna Green still carries on, and it's my pleasure to finalise this for you. So if you could give me your wedding hand, please, Michelle. Good choice. And give me your wedding hand, please, Scott. And keep that thumb nice and safe. So we really do use that.
Watch your hand.
It's quite a But you both come here with sparkles in your eyes. It's obvious how much you love each other. And you've just kept that history of ours going even longer. And with that celebration, we can now say to you, we wish you a long and very, very happy life. May every day be a good day. And may you enjoy the new year to come. But as the old Gaels would have said in Scotland over the centuries, Na nacht och gevor uinish poster, which means congratulations, you're both now husband and wife. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Can we have a kiss? Yay! Well
Thank
done.
you.
Thank you very much.
Oh,
Congratulations.
he always said he'd do a man of the match shake instead of a kiss.
Go for it. Go for it.
I didn't expect
Go for it.
is what I need. Let me be the one you come running to. I'll never be untrue. Oh, baby, let's stay together, loving you weather, times are good or bad, happy or sad. Ooh, yeah. Whether times are good or bad, happy or sad. Why people break up? Oh, and turn around and make up. I just came to see